West Australia's strata title reforms see the introduction of compulsory 10-year maintenance plans for strata schemes in Western Australia. That's for prescribed schemes, which is a scheme consisting of 10 lots or above, or a building replacement value of $5 million or above. A lot of owners in Western Australia have been extremely concerned about the introduction of this legislation, concerned that it may mean substantial increases to strata levies. The reason for the introduction of the legislation is that, one, it ensures that strata companies maintain the strata complex, but second of all, it reduces the need or the potential for substantial special levies that can put financial strain on owners within strata schemes in WA. The 10-year maintenance plan must outline who prepared the plan and what their relevant qualification for doing so is. What needs to be included in the plan includes all common property, everything from the guttering to the roofs, driveways, letterboxes, lifts, pool pumps, pools, even the foundations of the building itself. Now, the strata company must put in place some financial planning to meet the requirements of that 10-year maintenance plan, and whilst the legislation isn't linked directly to compulsory reserve funds, that would be the obvious place to start.